All right, mate. UFO. I think I looked at this the other day and I told someone not to buy it because, I was afraid that this was going to roll over, and it looks like it's rolling over right now. So I'm not sure. You need to maybe. Oh, COVID cough. Cannot get rid of it. Yeah, but there is a video out there. I said it's probably not a good buy yet in case it rolls over. Red on the week. You don't want to be buying this knife catching red on the week. What if it continues down on a new week? Well, 2 week is fairly bullish to be fair. But it also suggests that a large red candle can cause some dip. So, maybe on a new 2 week there will be some extra dip to give a better entry. Not much data here on this. This is a 2 week chart. Let's just... honestly, I'm not really a fan of it just yet. There is... Look at the large volume. This is the important day. So what often likes to happen actually is price loves to retest this area, but pierce it and hold and bounce, right? Because that'll be support. Price will come back down into that level. So I would probably set alarm right above it, just and when it comes into that level. If it comes down into that level, that's where I would be interested in it for a buy, to see if it can hold and bounce and move up off this level. That would also be, if we go to a 2 week chart, it's also a 50% retrace or whatever that is off the bullish engulfing 2 week candle. So that would be my level. That's where I'd watch this, and that'll be on a new 2 week when that dips down there.